before I leave, my dad, he was 19 when he went to war. In fact, he turned 19 when he was serving in the Philippine Islands. And anytime I had a difficult situation in life, whether it was getting ready to try a murder case or going before the legislature for confirmation, I would think about, when he was 19, he was fighting in the war, and my problems didn't seem so significant. He told me his first night there that the lieutenant said, there's a machine gun nest up on the hill that we need to see if it's still live or not. And he said, where are the new guys? So he sent my dad and two more. And I said, what do we do? And he said, crawl up the hill and see if they start shooting at you. And he said, Dad, that's the dumbest thing I'd ever heard, but he did it because it was his duty. And I remember when I was about 16, Dad and I were at the stores across the street over there, and Dad had bought a Datsun pickup truck, which for some of you young people don't realize, that later became Nissan. Those vehicles were made in Japan. And one of the gentlemen there said, Amos, after what you've been through, how could you drive that pickup truck? And he said, well, I always thought those guys on the other side were just like me. They were called to duty, they did it, and they went home and lived their lives and did the best they could. I have no hard feelings. I want to just close by thanking all of you who are here. I'm honored by your presence. I want to thank my law clerks that I've had, Michelle Shirley, Elizabeth Taylor, Catherine Kaiser, Jessica Chandler. We couldn't get the opinions out without their hard work. I want to thank Judge Gibbons for, I didn't know I had a mischievous smile, but I guess I did. Thank her for hiring me. Jack Holmes, Randy Rich, Brad Sigler for letting me come home to start practicing in Jackson. Roy Morgan, Don Allen, and Jimmy Butler and I practiced together. We're judges together for about 11 or 12 years. They're great colleagues. Court of Criminal Appeals colleagues. There'd be more of them here, but there's a docket in Knoxville tomorrow, and 3 of them couldn't come. So I appreciate it. It's been the most enjoyable 4 years of my career. And my new Supreme Court Justice colleagues, they've been so nice and so welcoming. And again, Governor, I want to thank you for this appointment. I'll do my best to work hard every day for the citizens of Tennessee and honor your selection. I'm especially honored by the people of Mifflin who are here today. I wouldn't have done this anywhere else. I've lived in Martin, Memphis, Jackson, Atlanta, Medina, but no matter where I live, Mifflin will always be my home. Thank you all.